Hi guys, let's make a spongy, dark, delicious, fudgy, wonderful 1 minute keto mug cake today. This is awesome when you're on a diet and you just feel like having a snack. I'll tell you, this is a lot. You'll probably end up eating only half, but it'll take away the urge. Fabulous. If you haven't subbed, please sub and turn on the notification button so you get notified every time there's a new video. There's a lot coming. If you like this video, please give me a like. And if you'd like to comment, I would really appreciate that. Just let me know if you make this differently, or if you have other recipes, or if you like it. Let's make this. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter in this mug, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 20 seconds until it melts and bring it back out. All right, we're gonna use monk fruit for this recipe today. You can use stevia, you can use plain erythritol, sorry, don't know how to pronounce it. Anything but sugar to keep this keto. I will also be using sugar-free chocolate chips. I bought these on Amazon. I'll put the link at the bottom in case you wanna get them. But Lily's also has these, and you can find those in most of, the Sprouts and Whole Foods of the world. And the important thing is that it is sugar-free. All right, that's about it for the special stuff. So here's our butter. In here, I am going to add an egg. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of the monk fruit. You sweeten it as much or less as you want. And I'm doing this because I'm using all dark chocolates, and so I don't want it to be so bitter. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yeah, by the way, if you want to purchase this spoon, it'll also be at the bottom. Everybody's been asking me about it. It's a bamboo measuring spoon. I love it. So we're just gonna mix this really well with a fork. I'm now going to add 4 tablespoons of almond flour. As always, I will have all of this stuff in grams at the bottom for you, okay? I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of dark unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll mix that. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of the chocolate chips. Okay, this is gonna go in the microwave for 1 minute, and I'll bring it out. Look at that. It smells like chocolate cake. Exactly what you want when you're on a diet, huh? So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down a little bit. I'm gonna top it with some whipped topping. Let's add a raspberry for color, and we are ready to taste this. Can you see how spongy that looks? Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.